In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Telegram error that says a premium account is required. This is a frustrating issue because it can stop you from using certain features, logging in properly, or completing actions you expected to work normally. The good news is that in many cases, the fix is simple once you understand what's causing it. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you should try is using the official Telegram mobile app on your phone. If you're on a computer and seeing this error, don't start by troubleshooting only on PC. Open the official Telegram app on Android or iPhone and log into your account there first. In a lot of cases, the mobile app completes the verification or account check more smoothly than the desktop client. Once you're signed in on mobile, go back and try the PC version again. If the standard mobile app still gives you trouble, you can also try an alternative client, like Telegram X, if it's available for your device. Sometimes alternate clients handle account verification differently, and that can help you get past the premium required message. The goal here is to complete the account verification using a mobile app before you try using the desktop app again. This simple step often resolves the issue without any complicated changes. Now let's talk about another important cause, regional mismatch. If you're trying to make a payment, activate a feature, or complete any account-related action, make sure your payment method or phone number region matches your current IP address location as closely as possible. When these details don't line up, Telegram or the payment gateway may reject the request and throw a premium-related error. For example, if your account number is tied to one region, but your internet connection appears to be in another, the system may flag it as suspicious. To avoid this, double-check the region on your SIM, phone number, payment method, and network location. If you recently moved countries, changed internet providers, or are using a VPN, that could be part of the problem. Try turning off the VPN if you have one enabled, then reconnect using your normal internet connection. After that, retry the action inside the mobile app first, then test the desktop client again. Another helpful step is to update Telegram to the latest version on both your phone and your computer. Outdated versions can sometimes trigger unexpected account errors or feature restrictions. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store on mobile and the official Telegram website or app source on desktop and make sure everything is current. Once updated, sign out and sign back in if needed, then test the feature again. If the issue still appears, clear the app cache on your mobile device and restart both devices. A simple restart can refresh your session and remove temporary glitches that might be causing the premium account required message. Then try logging in with the official mobile app one more time before returning to the PC version. So to quickly recap, first, use the official Telegram mobile app or Telegram X to complete verification before using the PC client. Second, make sure your regional information matches your current IP setup, especially if you're dealing with payments or account verification. Those two steps solve this error for many users. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.